Longtail cast on. I'm doing the sweater 67. I've measured out how much yarn I need to cast on by wrapping it around my needle 88 times. So I'm casting on 88 stitches to give me the required length. That's why we call it the longtail cast on. I've got the short cable here so that I can easily work around the neck. So I'm casting on the neck stitches. For the first stitch, I just put it over the needle like that, over the top, and then we make a slingshot with so hold that stitch down, make a slingshot with your thumb and index finger, and then we're just going under the thumb and over to the index finger. So that's my second stitch. I'm not pulling them really tight. So slingshot again, under the thumb and over top of the one that's wrapped around the index finger. Under the thumb, over the top, and so on until we have enough stitches. Okay, I've cast on my 88 stitches. I've got my working yarn on the right, and before I join in the round, I'm going to show you the invisible join in the round. Before I do that, we've got to make sure that our stitches are all around the right way and not twisted. So we want the bottom edge on the inside of our circle, so we just move them until they are all in the right place. So that's my tail yarn. Over here I've got my stitch markers. So to do an invisible join in the round, we first cast on one extra stitch, and then I am going to slip the first stitch on the left needle over to the right, and then take the stitch behind that one, pass it over the top, pull on the strands, and then just move that one back to the left again, and you can just tighten all those up. And now we're going to add a beginning of round marker. I'm using a different colour to the other ones that I'll use later, so that I always know that that's my beginning of round. Oops. Okay. And now I'm ready to start my rib.